Good morning, guys. We are up so early this morning as we've got a long drive as we're heading to PortAventura. So it's about 8 AM. We've had to get up really early as PortAventura is about a 4.5-hour drive from us. This is actually Maisie's birthday present from Jack, and he was kind enough to invite me and Ronan to join along. I'm guessing it's going to be a really fun trip, so I can't wait to take you with us and show you what we get up to. This is the most lively I've ever seen you at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Babe, I'm buzzing.
Good morning.
Jack, not so much.
Oh my gosh, wow, this is amazing.
Isn't it?
Oh my gosh.
Wow. So yeah, there are a few hotels here at PortAventura, but we're staying in Hotel Gold River, which was my friend Yasmin's recommendation, and she says it was her favourite hotel here, and I can see why. It's absolutely stunning. Wow, it feels like we're in the Wild West. I can hear the roller coaster.
Apparently, this is just a pathway.
Yeah.
It's very long and the park's at the end, but I don't know nothing.
Yeah, I think it's about a 5-minute walk to the actual park. This is actually all part of the hotel. They were showing us on the map, because I think the swimming pool is just over there. So from the swimming pool, you can actually see the roller coaster. So this is still the hotel. Girls, this is what you got to aim for. Someone who feeds you crisps when you're walking. So we booked this trip on booking.com, so we chose which hotel we wanted, and you get one of these little cards which is your hotel room key, but that includes your access to PortAventura Park for the whole time of your stay. Even the day that you check out, you still get to access the park, and we got one day at Ferrari Land as well, which is a park right next to this one.
Me and Millie go on red and you go on blue, we'll see who wins.
No, if I'm dying next to you.
So on this ride, there's a blue and yellow car, and it's basically racing against each other. So you choose which one you think will go faster, and then you see who wins. Choose a colour.
Has it got yellow on there?
Oh my god.
Jack, what did you say?
I didn't think it was that intense.
I didn't think it was either. I'm actually crying. Oh my god, that was so funny.
That was so good.
Bienvenidos a Mexico. So this is the Mexican area. I'm guessing the food is really nice in this bit. So there are plenty of places scattered around for food. There's loads of options, and there's also a little stand there where you can get your face painted, you can get your hair braided or temporary tattoos. I feel like this is a baby ride.
Busy.
That made you dizzy. You've just been on 2 roller coasters.
That made me dizzy than the ride.
Oh my god, look at that one. That looks incredible.
Right behind me is one of the theatres, and scattered all around the park there are different places to go and watch shows. So you can either look on the map or you can get the app on your phone of PortAventura and find out the show times. But make sure you do get there early to get a seat. The woman says it's already closed, so make sure you get your seat before the show starts or they won't let you in. We're definitely going to try and make some of the shows while we're here. About to do this absolutely huge white one. I would have said Shambhala, but I've heard a few people say Shambhala. So let me know in the comments how you would pronounce it. But it's absolutely huge. It looks incredible. That wasn't what I remembered, I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I thought there was one drop. I can't even talk, I'm going to be sick. Jesus Christ. Jack doesn't like roller coasters, and I said to him, this one's really smooth. I could barely hold the camera up my arm. Oh my god, I can't even talk properly. My brain has gone to mush. Jesus Christ. I'm so glad I didn't have a big meal before that. This is the longest queue we've been in all day.
We're rocking up a sweat and we're going to cool off with some water.
I actually don't mind waiting in queues like this though, when there's all like trees everywhere, we're a bit in the sun, a bit in the shade. There's a lot to look at. There's a lot to look at, it's a nice queue. Better safe than sorry.
We're all laughing, but the truth is we're going to end up absolutely soaked. And she's not.
I'm the only one in this whole park with my coat on. I'm protecting my fringe. I'm protecting my whole body. looks like... Oh no! That was the small one. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my god.
I'm completely dry under here. My feet are literally squelching. I've got Skechers on and they're like foam, like memory foam at the bottom. Gonna take forever to get these dry. My feet are like wrinkled up.
Who are you sat there complaining? You're bloody wearing a raincoat.
Told you to bring one. Oh my god. My body's completely dry. Ugh. So we've come back to the hotel because you have to actually reserve a table. Even for the buffet, you have to reserve your table for dinner at a set time. We've left half of the park for tomorrow. So we're just gonna check into the room now, dump the bags, get changed because we're soaking wet from that ride, and then go down for dinner. Cool.
Oh, this is so nice.
As I read online, all like the furnishings are really antique. Yeah, let's have a look at our view. Wow. Oh, what a view. We can see the roller coaster from here.
Oh my gosh. Wow, that's an awesome
We've
view.
got a sea view as well. So yeah, we booked a room with 2 double beds. We've got a big TV, little dressing table, and we also have a mini fridge, which is good to know. Double wardrobes. Let's have a look at the bathroom. Oh, this is lovely. It is very Wild West themed. I love it. All ready for dinner?
Yeah, starving.
This looks amazing. It actually looks like France. What did you think of the buffet?
I thought it was fantastic.
It had pretty good selection. The staff were really friendly. They put on a show halfway through as well, which was quite nice. Yaz and Scott did tell me actually that if you don't want the buffet, but you have paid for it, you can go to the reception and swap it for, I think it's like a €15 voucher to go into the restaurant part instead. So you can do that instead if you don't like the buffet food, but I think for us, we like a big selection, so we'll probably stick to the buffet. And we're only here another night, but it's good to know just in case you're not a fan of buffets. So we've had the most amazing first day at PortAventura. We finished dinner, we had a stroll around the hotel. As you can see, this hotel theme is absolutely stunning. So we've had a really nice time walking around. We've took loads of photos, so check them out on our Instagram. I'll leave the links in the description below. So the boys have just gone downstairs to the bar for a drink. Me and Maisie just chilling in the room as we've had a long day. We're gonna get plenty of rest for tomorrow as we've still got half of the park to see. There's so many rides we haven't been on and there's loads of shows that we wanna see tomorrow as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks again and I'll see you next Friday.